We're creating a custom map function that's going to work similar to map, where we're going to just loop through, iterate through all the items, and run whatever value that we're doing here with the number that's being passed in to the function, and then returning back the results. And as you can see here, we just simply have a doubling of the results. We're going to be creating a custom map function. So I've got my JavaScript opened over here. I've got the console within the browser on the right hand side. So let's set up some variables first. So we've got some numbers maybe within an array, and just give them some values here. So we've got some values within an array called numbers, and we also want to have another set that we want to then double by using the map. So we're going to take the numbers and we're going to double the value of numbers. So we're taking the array numbers, and then we're going to be using the my map instead of the map, and taking the number and returning back the number, and we can multiply it by 2. So we're just going to be creating a custom function that's going to handle the my map, and then we're going to output the value of doubled. So within the console log, we take doubled, and we're just going to put that into the console. So it should have double what the values are. And as we can see, we don't already have the my map. So we're going to be using the array prototype. And this is where we can create the my map. And this is going to be using a function with a callback function. So save that, and that's going to give us the my map. And then within here, let's set up an array for the result. So this is going to actually be holding the value of result. And we'll just move a few things around here. So we can set up the prototype first of my map. And that way we're not throwing the error anymore. It's just simply returning back undefined, because we don't have anything that we're returning back. And what we want to do is return back the result value. So it's just right now it's giving us an empty array. So here we want to loop through. So let I equals 0, and then looping through while I is less than this length, and we just increment I plus 1. And we're pushing into the result. So adding to the array whatever we've got for the callback value of this with the value of I, and then comma this. So it's going to be our callback that we're returning back into this. Creates a simple emulation of what map does, where we're taking the values and we're iterating through each one of the values that are passed in there, and then we're using to do the callback value and then returning it back and pushing it into the result. So that's what we've got for the response back, that we can see that we're doubling the numbers. So that's how you can create your own custom map function.